One thing I noticed is so many business owners aren't using AI to generate money in their business. Now, getting AI to generate you more money in your business is quite simple. What I use is this framework called the bow tie funnel. All you have to do is find out how your business works, understanding how do you get people to see your offer, how do you get people to buy your offer, and how do you get clients to stay and keep on working with you. Those are the three areas you likely would want to include AI. Now, from these three areas, I discovered that there are about 35 different AI employees that you can implement that will directly lead to a return on investment in your business. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can get AI to help you generate revenue, and I'll be breaking down these 35 AI employees that you could implement into your business. Now, real quick, I'll put this all together into an asset that you can get in the link below. All you have to do is put in your name and email, and I'll send it right towards you. So this includes all of the AI employees that you could implement inside of your business at any time. So if you don't have the time to watch this video, you can go ahead and download it and implement it at your own time. But first, I'm going to go over the bow tie funnel, because once you understand how it works, you'll be able to understand how AI can directly contribute to you generating money in your business or saving you time. So this is the framework I like to use. It's called the bow tie funnel. Now, the bow tie funnel is kind of an expansion from a normal funnel. So if you're familiar with a normal funnel, there's the top of funnel, which is awareness. Then there's the middle of the funnel, which is nurturing. And then there's the bottom of funnel, which is consideration and people actually buy. Now, what a lot of people forget is that there's also a funnel on the back end, which is making sure you keep and maintain your clients, or you offer them an ascension offer, a downsell offer, or an extension offer. Many different types of offers you could do to share with clients that have spent money with you. And most likely for a lot of business owners, focusing on the back end is going to generate you more money. So if you notice, I'm going to be explaining later, most of the AI employees that are most likely going to help you make more money is probably going to be on the back end side, which is keeping clients. So this is kind of like the back end funnel. Now, I do go into more detail onto the bow tie funnel in another video, because if I were to break this all down, this would take probably another 30 to 40 minutes. But in a nutshell, what happens is the way that you get strangers to become clients follows this path, right? So first, people need to be aware about your offer. So they need to know about it. They need to be nurtured about your offer, to be familiar with it, to understand, is it for them? Then they need to consider your offer, where they actually get a direct offer and they can make a yes/no decision. And then they make a yes decision where they commit, and then you onboard them, and then you deliver the service, and then you retain them as a client over time. Now, the goal here is, this is how you directly make more money, is you want to get more people flowing through your funnel and most likely expanding the LTV of your clients. Right? LTV, lifetime value of your clients. Most of the time, your clients can spend more money if you offer more value, or you can deliver to more clients. So lifetime value, this is how you grow your business. And we want to implement it in this fashion, where AI helps us to get seen, either more traffic, helps us convert more, which is get paid, gets more commitments, or helps us figure out ways how we can keep clients or provide more value to clients so they can spend more money. So how does that look like? So AI will help you make money in three ways. So I tried to simplify this, because a lot of people try to complicate how AI can make you money. Well, there's three main ways. If you can focus on these three main ways, AI will make you money. So number one is AI helps you make more offers. So that is getting more traffic towards your offer. So this could be posting more content. This could be sending more outreach. This could be following up with clients. Okay, so you might follow up. You might message an older client that might need help. You could offer them to work with you, or you can have AI follow up on invoices so you can get paid. So this basically increases how often you get paid, because you get more clients. More offers equal more clients and more customers. Now, the second way AI can help you make more money is it increases your client capacity. That means you might be spending, let's say, 5 days of the week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to deliver for your clients. Now, what happens if you can get AI to do the delivery for you? Now you open up all these extra client capacity or this time that you could use to either double the deliverables that you serve for clients. So let's say your client capacity was only like 3 clients, and you have AI help you now, and it can do more. Now you can offer your clients, hey, would you like double the deliverables? Let's say you're running some ads for clients. Would you like double the ads? We can do that to get you double the results, because AI is helping you do that, and you have the capacity to do that instead of hiring people. So that allows you to pretty much get more money, because you're offering more deliverables for clients. Another thing is, because you regain the client capacity, if you're on capacity 5 days a week and only serve like 4 or 5 clients as an example, now AI helps you do the work. Now you can serve like 10 clients instead. So you can onboard new clients. So this also allows you to make more money. Now, the final thing is AI helps you save money or cuts what you would pay to hire someone, because AI can do maybe 80% of the work, and maybe you can hire someone in a fractional or part-time use case. So let's say an example is you need stuff in your business. You need a landing page, you need to create content, you need to have an offer or a copywriter to create offers. So previously you might need to hire a copywriter to do that, but now you might not need it because AI can create these outputs for you with the right amount of skills and context of your business. AI can create these deliverables for you to help you run your business. So now you get to keep that money instead of spending it on someone that you need to hire on your team. Now, this can be extrapolated to other parts, operations, sales, fulfillment, etc. There's many ways that you can probably cut your costs by getting AI to do the work for you. So these are the three main ways that AI can make you money. So no matter what, you want to focus on these three ways. Now, from these three ways, there's about 35 jobs that I outlined, which I'm going to go over to explain to you how you can use these 35 jobs. So let's dive in. I'll break some of these down and I'll go over a live demonstration of how I would use the list to help you generate more money in your business. All right, so if you open up the 35 AI employees, again, you can get this in the description below. I've made it easy for you to identify what is the best AI employee that will help you get an ROI right now. So all you have to do is answer these questions. So what would actually help you most right now? So you can either pick money in the next 30 days or hours back in your week. So you can click money next 30 days if money is your focus, or if you want to get back more time, you can click on that. So let's say I'm going to click money in the next 30 days. Next thing is going to ask me, where does your business actually leak? So I could answer, not enough people know I exist. They talk to me, then go quiet. Winning work is fine. Delivering it is the problem. Clients drift off or pay less than they should. So I'm going to say not enough people know I exist as an example. Then it's going to ask me, who else is in your business? Is it you, or do you have a VA, contractors, or a team? So I can go ahead and just click on just me because I run a one-person business. So now it's going to tell me which part of the bow tie funnel should I focus on, which should be awareness or nurturing. So then I can click on show me the top three AI employees I could implement right now. They'll help me solve my problem. So I can click on that right now. And it's telling me the first employee we should use is the AI nurture employee. So I can click on that. And the AI nurture employee works like so. So not right now. They did not say no. They said not yet. Okay, so let's say you have a list of people that you've reached out. Maybe you have an email list. Maybe you have Instagram followers. Maybe you have a list of people that might be interested in working with you. So there's this prompt. I can go ahead and copy this. So I can copy this right over here. Help me build and work my not right now list. First, find where these conversations live, my inbox, CRM, calendar. Tell me which connectors would let you read them. Then set the simplest one up with me. Then build the list, who they are, what they wanted, why they did not go ahead, and when that reason likely expires. Rank by who is most ready now, and draft an opener for the top 5 that references what they actually said. What I could do here is I can copy paste a prompt here, and I can go to Claude, copy it, and Claude will do that. Or if I don't think this is a good fit, I can look at the next top 3 AI employees I could implement, which is the AI outreach employee right over here. So I want to do some more outreach. AI can help me figure out how I can do an outreach. So some of these prompts will ask you for some details. So here's a result of what I'm proud of. So help me turn a client result into outreach. So you'd share the details and numbers of a client, and then you could use this as an outreach message that you could send to people on social media, email, etc. Okay, so this is a way that you can get more awareness or into getting more money into your business. Let's say you want an AI prospecting employee. What we could do is we could use this prompt again. Help me define and build my ideal client list. Here are my 5 best clients and why each one was a good fit. You then copy paste that information, or you could just tell Claude and you can copy paste this and AI could help you do that. Now there's plenty of other AI employees you could use. So you can scroll down and pretty much pick the one that works best for you. So if I want, I can go back to the home page and I can either choose to answer the 3 questions again if I want to do another part of my business, or if I just want to see, or if you just want to see all the AI employees, you can scroll down and pick the ones that you like. So AI can help you generate revenue. Now, if you notice, majority of the AI employees we can implement that will help us generate more money is most likely going to be on the back end. So you can see we have much more plays that we could run to make more money. And that's because the people that have paid us money probably trust us And if they trust us, it's easier to make money. It's very hard to get a stranger to give you money right away. But it's much easier to work with a client that you've been working for a long time, you have a lot of trust, and you've implemented it to help you with this, to offer them more value and they can pay you more money, etc. Also, talking to previous clients that aren't working with you, trying to get them to come back, another way you could do. That's why with delivery and retention is one of the best places I recommend to start with implementing inside. Now, I do explain more detail into this in my other video where I break down the bow tie funnel. I'll put a link in the description. You can get that as well. All right, so let's dive into a demonstration. All right, so I'm going to use this prompt right over here. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go to Claude Code like so. So I have Claude Code open over here, and I'm going to paste the prompt right over here so Claude can get right to work. Now, for context, I have my Claude connected to all of my characters. I have all my business context already documented inside, so it's likely going to work. So I'm going to go here and put on Ultra Code because I want this to be faster. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on auto, and I'm going to use Opus 5. So I'm going to go click enter and let's get started. So the prompt I picked was the AI Reactivation employee. So I want to see if AI can find out if there's any clients that I could offer them to work with me again. So let's see how Claude works and we'll see how it performs. So I'm going to let Claude work and I'm going to show you the result of what happens. So what's going on here is in order for Claude to act like an employee, well, it will need access to my call recordings, connectors, invoices, project folders, and everything. So what I already have set up is if I open up my files on the right side, it's already have everything documented over here in a folder structure. So I have marketing, operations, product, sales, strategy. So AI already has, or Claude would already have good context on what I do in my business. So these prompts, if you don't have a file structure or you don't have everything documented, then you'll need to give it to AI to do the work. Now, that is a little bit more annoying. Of course, that's why you build out everything and you have a workspace. So I did explain this in another video on my other channel where I have a series explaining everything required to turn AI to an AI employee. So if you want, you can watch that playlist for free. I'll put in the link in the description as well. Now, if you want to skip all that learning phase and you want to get straight to building, then I'm running a masterclass that you can join. It's called the AI Employee Playbook, where I'll show you exactly what are the 3 things you need to give AI for it to act like an employee in your business. So if you want to grab a ticket, you can grab it below. All right, so I'm going to let Claude cook and I'll give you the results on what it did and how I would use that to help me generate revenue and potentially how you could use it as well. All right, so after a few minutes of talking with Claude over here, Claude went ahead and I asked it to create this artifact that will tell me exactly who to follow up with that I can make money. Pretty straightforward. So it gave me a whole list of people that had engagements with me previously that hasn't been a one-on-one client. So if I want to get a one-on-one client, I can reach out to all these people because they worked with me before. I've delivered a good service. They've gotten some value. If I offer them more value, they're more likely to buy from me. So it's easier for me to make more money. And AI is going to help me do this by creating the messages I need to reach out, the offers. And then if I want AI to help me deliver, I can have AI employees built out for them and so on. Okay, so it went ahead and put up this list. And then it even put in some of the context on each one of these people. So now I can go with Claude. I can ask Claude, hey, let's create some messages that I could reach out to these people, or a follow-up sequence that I could reach out to these people. Maybe I could help create a demo or something of AI, and I could get these guys as clients. And yeah, that's the most important thing with AI, is helping you make more money, not just talking with AI chatbot. Is you need to actually have it run sales and marketing and help you deliver. Now, the way I'm going to be delivering to these guys is I'll help them install AI employees. So teach them how to use Claude Code, etc. and so on. So this is one of the examples from the list of the AI employees. So you can go ahead and do this at any time. You can pretty much use the AI employees that it recommends over here, and you can use it anytime. You can always click on answer again. It'll restart the quiz. And if you just want to see all AI employees, you can go ahead and pretty much use all of these playbooks and try to close as many deals as possible and have AI help you deliver. Now, if you found this helpful, you can go ahead and click Build AI Employees on this button over here, and you'll get an invite to my masterclass. So if you want to join and you want to learn how you can build AI employees in your business that does end-to-end jobs, that will do 80% repetitive work so you can double your client capacity to make more money without hiring, then this masterclass is for you. All the details are below. I'll be happy to see you inside. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. And if you want some more support with building AI employees, I do have some more stuff in the link below in the description.